Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower crisper shelf in your refrigerator, first remove all 4 bins. Detach the upper shelf support and set it aside. Next, detach the lower shelf support, then slide out the shelf assembly, being careful not to damage the glass. Prepare the new crisper shelf for installation by transferring the glass from the old shelving to the new one. Now slide the new shelf into place in the refrigerator and position the new support. Reposition the upper shelf support. Then replace the 4 bins.